Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, as some of you probably know, I love to play pickleball. Really got into it about 3 years ago, and I coach and teach at a local league with a lot of everything from beginner players up to advanced players that play in a lot of tournaments. And one of the things that I've noticed over the years that I've been playing is that players that do a lot of slice and dice, which is I'm a slice and dice player, which means I do a lot of hard slicing and cutting with the ball, is that we tend to wear out the grit on our paddles, all right, really fast. In fact, I can wear out the grit on a paddle in about a month of hard play. And that becomes real expensive when you have to buy a new paddle just because the grit is wore out. It's not that there's any damage to the paddle, it's just that the grit that they use on new paddles just doesn't seem to last very long, okay? It is a product that they put on the outside of the paddle face, and after you've hit the ball enough times, it tends to wear off that grit. Well, if you don't have grit, you can't do hard slices. You'll hit them hard and they won't go anywhere. They won't slice like they're supposed to. And so it's very frustrating. And so I got to the point where I was buying cheap paddles just so I would have a new paddle every 2 or 3 months that had good grit on it. So I ended up buying, and these are excellent paddles. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with these paddles. These are the T700 paddles made by Leotow. I get them off of Temu for less than 20 bucks a paddle, so I could buy 5 of them for 100 bucks. But that's what I've been doing in order to have a paddle, so I'd have a fresh paddle when I was playing to have good grit on it. And it doesn't matter if it's a really expensive paddle, even the $300 paddles, because I have a boomstick. Even those real expensive paddles, you're going to wear the grit off of them really fast. If you're buying a really expensive paddle and you wear the grit off of it in 6 months or however long it takes you to do that, that's an expensive investment. So what I'm going to show you is a hack, and this could be considered illegal. And I want you to understand that you probably cannot use this if you're playing tournaments. But if you're just playing recreational pickleball, or if you're playing in maybe some tournament where they don't check, you might get away with being able to use this. So what this hack is, and this is made by Rust-Oleum. It is RUST-OLEUM. You're probably familiar with. Now, this is called an anti-slip floor spray. It's designed for concrete floors and wood decks where you want to add some anti-slip material, which is grit, to the floor so that you don't slide and slip around on it when it gets wet. You can spray this on your paddles, and let me tell you, it is tremendous at adding grit to your paddles. In fact, so much grit that I was doing screwball serves that would go 6 feet out of the court and coming back in. That's how much grit this has in it. And what I really like about it is it gives you really good grit, but it also, I think, improves control. One of the things that I really noticed, because I've been playing with this paddle that I sprayed for about a week now, and one of the things that I've noticed is that up at the net where I want a lot of control for dinks, or if I'm resetting a really hard drive or something like that, because of the spray on here, it really grabs that ball and lets me control it completely so it's not sliding off my paddle in a direction that I don't want it to go. Somebody hits a really hard drive and I have to do one of these and deflect or reset. It actually grabs the ball and redirects it the direction that I'm aiming at and want to focus it for back. And it also especially very good on dinks. If you want a very controlled dink, the spray gives you enough grit and grip on the paddle to give you a tremendous amount of control. I did not notice any significant reduction in power, and I am a power hitter. I love to slam a ball, and I did not notice any difference in slam. It does not change the face. It's completely clear. All right, so you can spray it on. All you do is spray it on. Maybe you just want to spray it on one side, try the other side, and see what the difference is. I spray it on both sides of mine. But you just spray it on, let it dry. It takes about 15-20 minutes. If it's dry outside, it's going to dry. I do recommend spraying it outside because it's got a little bit of a smell, but the smell goes away real fast. And if you want, you can mask. You can use the painter's mask around the outside edges. I didn't worry about it. I just sprayed it over the outside edges. It doesn't make any difference. But then go and try that and see what difference it makes. And I can tell you, your slice and dice is going to be tremendous. It really grabs this ball. Now, one thing to be aware of, you're going to wear the balls out faster because you've got so much grit on this. So don't take advantage of other people and tear up their good balls, because you're going to tear up the balls. Get yourself some new balls. I recommend these Cores. I really like the CORE balls off Amazon. You can get those on Amazon for, I think, about 12 balls for 20 bucks, which is a good deal. These are really good balls. They last a good long time. And if you bring your own ball, you won't be concerned and have people upset because you're really ripping their balls up with the new grit that you have on your paddles. All right, again, I suggest you go and try that. Now, again, I will tell you this may not be legal for tournaments, so you may not want to use it on a tournament paddle. But for your recreation play, your standard everyday practice paddles, you want to make them last a lot longer so you're not having to buy new paddles continually just to get the grit on them. Go ahead and get you this product. Again, this is Rust-Oleum Anti-Slip Floor Spray. Spray it on. You don't have to do a real heavy coat. Spray it on both sides. Spray it on both sides. Let it dry for 15-20 minutes. Go out and play, and you will see the difference. And it really is a tremendous difference, folks. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.